Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another day of Today at Work On. And today I'm working on something really awesome. It's our new to us boat. Like I mentioned in some previous videos, it's a cruiser's yacht. It's a 2003. It's a 3772 model, which is basically the 370 in the following years. It's the same layout. We took it home last week. It was rough. It was a rough trip home. We had a small craft advisory basically the entire trip. Early on in the Chesapeake, it was pretty nasty. We had 3 to 5 foot seas. We had like a 20-30 mile per hour wind blowing due west on a starboard side. It was brutal. Now, and I haven't boated in 13 years, so it was a lot to take in, especially this boat because it was way bigger than my older boat. Meanwhile, we're 30 minutes out and then I hear beep beep, and then a minute goes by, I hear another beep beep. I thought it was a carbon monoxide warning, and we opened up the front isinglass, didn't go away. So I texted my buddy as the surveyor, and he's like, well, that's probably an IAC valve and you might stall when you come to idle. So we didn't stall when it came to idle that day, but the following few days later, I went to start the boat and the port side did have a very rough idle. It didn't want to stay started. I'm sure if it warmed up, it would be better, but I can't take the boat out like that. So I had to wait a week to get some parts. And it's in this box. It's not big. It's an IAC valve. I'm going to show you exactly what I need to do. So that is my mission today. I'm going to show you the boat real fast. I'm going to go over which engines I have, and that's the 8.1, which is the 496 Mercruiser Horizons. It's the base model. They put out 370 horsepower a piece. They also have the SmartCraft system, which I really like. The previous boat we were gonna buy didn't have it, and I feel like it's a huge upgrade to have this system. So I wanted to buy a boat that down the line it would be something that someone else would want to buy. So it's a very tried and true setup. It has V drives. It has the 8.1s. It's a nice big wide beam. The boat moves, and I enjoyed it. Navigating it for 9 hours. So, of course, boats need to always be fixed. So I work on things. It's like a match made in heaven. I just wish that we bought the boat earlier in the season so we could enjoy it. But today it's actually going to be really nice. We're going to take it out. So on that note, I'm going to go grab breakfast. I'll introduce you to the boat real fast, and then I'll get working on this IAC valve. So I'll catch you in a minute. This tube right here that runs off the flame arrestor, run it all the way back. Right there is where that IAC valve is. Right there. This is the IAC valve. So now I'm going to take off this flame arrestor. I'm also going to change the muffler, so I'm going to get working on that. Well, the first thing I notice is, do you see that little thingy in there? That little piece of foam? That's definitely dirty. So I'm going to pop that out, and I'm going to see if that's the reason why I'm getting the code. You can see there's a little bit of a difference there. I'm going to have to order another one. I'm going to see if the local shop has it. So I'm going to stick this in there, and I'm going to see if I still have the code. Right in there. That's basically it. Just, I guess you stuff it in there like that. We'll see what happens. Huh, interesting. All right, so I placed the new muffler in. Let's see if that works. Now, don't push it in too far because there's like a little hole where this tube is, and you can easily push it in way past that, and that's not going to work. You need to just have it sitting just like that. So I actually lost my AirPods. You see them down there? I gotta figure out how I'm gonna grab that next. Let me put this flame arrestor back on and see if I still have a code. Well, it looks like I gotta change the IAC valve because I'm still having an issue. So it's right there. Right there, you see it. I'm gonna pop it off and put the new one on and see what happens. The new IAC valve, let's see what happens. Problem solved. IAC valve. Very nice. I'm gonna probably buy, let me shut up the engines. I'm gonna probably buy another set of IAC valves and another muffler and probably just swap out the starboard side, because if one side's gonna go, that means the other side's gonna go really soon. I'm super excited. That's the first fix. No more beeps. Started right up. And yeah, that's good. Now we get to go out and have some fun. Can't wait. So thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, I'm gonna go over everything I possibly can with the boat. Anything that breaks, I will document fixing it. Now, I am not winterizing the boat just because I don't have enough time to get familiar with the boat. So sometimes you need to pay a professional. That's just that's being smart. I don't know everything. I'm still new to the boat. That's the plan. I'm gonna have the marina winterize the boat because I want to get familiar with everything. So, well, I hope you enjoyed that episode. I hope you enjoyed the IAC muffler right there, and then the hose that runs to the IAC, the new IAC valve right here. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.